Hello friends, welcome to our full form videos. In this video we are going to tell you 15 C-letter words in computer category full forms. C dot means Center for Diploma of Telemetry. CDR compact disc recordable. CDRW compact disc read write. CD-ROM compact disc read only memory. CGA color graphics array. CGI common gateway interface. CIDR classless interdomain routing. CIFS common internet file system. CISC complex instruction set computer. Class computer literacy and studies in school. CMD command. CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor. CMY cyan magenta yellow. CNR communication network riser COBOL कॉमन बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज, ये कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है। आई होप कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा। धन्यवाद।